Okay, so I noticed that my wash machine agitator is not catching anymore. It's just spinning. So the only thing moving is what's down here, which that's cool to some degree, but that's not really making the clothes cycle and turn over and wash really good. So a way to make that work again, pull this top off and get you some pliers and pull this cover off. Then, I don't know if you can see this, let's see. You see those little bitty tabs? Watch, if I go the other way, they shrink in. You know, this way they come out. And there's teeth there. Let me see if I can zoom in. There we go. See how the teeth are not catching. They go this way, the little arms go in. So this way, they go out. They're supposed to catch on there, but if you can see that the little arms don't even have teeth to catch. So this piece needs to be replaced. Well, I'm not near a store right now, so what I'm gonna try to do is take the individual teeth and just kind of cut into them and see if they will catch in the meantime until I'm able to actually get to a store. I'll go there sometime today and see if they have it. And if not, hopefully my little temporary repair may work. So let's see what happens.